Mix the elegance of classic French architecture with a twist of 21st century technology, and you've got Le Palais des Anges.
This property is the centerpiece of Beverly Hills.
Right off the Sunset Strip, Joyce Ray and Jade Mills of Coldwell Banker Previews International took me on the exclusive first tour of this one-of-a-kind estate.
This is a rare level of quality. You don't see it very often.
Resting on 2 acres, this 7-bedroom, 13-bath home is lined with incredible architecture and detailed craftsmanship rivaled only by the finest of French chateaus.
The limestone exterior was handcrafted in Portugal and imported.
You even have 24-karat gold fixtures.
Bronze fountains, columns adorned with gold, even the lighting is part of the classical charm. There are over 100 light fixtures in this mansion imported from Italy, and this little chandelier is in the center of it all. Flanking the chandelier are 2 marble staircases leading you to the master of master suites.
The master suite is one of the most extensive I've ever seen.
His and hers bathrooms, with 3 of the other bedrooms in the house averaging 800 square feet each.
We think the perfect buyer for this house is going to be someone who loves to entertain.
And sitting on 2 acres affords this home 2 things most homes in Beverly Hills don't have: a massive yard and plenty of parking.
Not too many homes in Beverly Hills have underground parking.
And to add that 21st century touch, the house is completely computerized.
You can go on your computer and control the entire house no matter where you are in the world. It's the next level of smart house.
And a pretty smart buy if you have about $70 million to spare.